Okay, so right. So first three lines are the same, include header files. Now I have declared a struct stack, which includes size, top, and array. So there will be a stack which we and its ingredients will be like size, which will contain the max size of the stack, and top, which will store the index of the last element of the stack. So int array arr, which will array. So inside the main I have declared a struct s1 variable of data type struct stack. Now I have just took the input of the size, and you know how to access it, s1 dot size. So I have taken care if the size is less than 0 or what, so it will print okay invalid input. So now I have declared a array dynamically using malloc of size s1 dot size, same which we took here. Now initialize the top to -1, the same stuff. Now the thing is initializing the members of the array. So I put the how many elements you want to store. It will store in the n. Now I've called a function called grade, which will take s1 by address, because we have to make changes inside this. We don't have to copy, so you get the point. So inside the create function, it takes the number of elements and the pointer of type struct stack. So this is how you access it. It's like the same stuff, like how you just put the. And one more thing, what you say, incrementing the top so that it contains the last element of the array. So done with the create function. Now in C means choice. I have used a do while loop for the user to input their choice. First push, pop, display. For C, and then I took the input for the C. If C is equals to 1, then so basically we want to push. Alright, so int x, where x is the element. Just wait a sec. Alright, so printf enter the element, scanf, the same. Now I've used a push function and pass it by address, not by pass it by reference, not by value, because we want to make changes inside the main s1, not like we have to create a copy and all that stuff. So this push function, I have used the bool type. I will explain you why. So if first we will check if the stack is full or not. If stack is already full, then we can't push, so it will return false and all that stuff. First we will increment the top by 1 and just put the element at index top, the element what we just okay. So is full is also a function of type bool. So if it basically check if the top index is equals to size -1, it will return true and return false if not. Like it's basic. So push function done. So I've used if push, it automatically means this both are same, because if automatically checks for if the thing inside the parenthesis is true or not. So there's no need to just put this and true, no need. Okay, so after that when it's done, when the push runs true, printf done, else error. Then pop, pass it by reference. If done, same pop function, I'll show you. So we'll check if empty. If empty, then we can't pop, right? So I've declared the top index, the last element of the array is decremented by 1 and return true. That's it, and is empty. If size equals to top, the top index is -1, then return true. That is, the array is empty. Same stuff, it's same. So if checks for the pop function to return true. If done, if true, then done, else error. And third one is display. I can use I can here pass it by value, but I prefer to pass it by reference. Where's to display? Alright, this. So it will just, I've used this to make it look good. otherwise you can write like normal %d. So I have it's like simple display function, that's it. So I will just yeah, that's the whole program. I will show you how it runs. Size for example 5, how many elements you want to store? Like 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if I want to push, alright, I will put 1, enter element 4, done. It says done. Now how do I know it's done? I will display it. 3, see, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how stack is. So if I want to pop, right, 2, it will pop the 4. Done. To show you, see, 3, 2, 1, that's it. Yeah, it again another test case. If 3 enter elements 2, 1, 20, same. If I want to pop, for example, no, yeah, first I will pop, no, display C1. Now I will push is 1, I will push 3, done, display 1, 3, easy.